Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great, EWTX. Now, to get the full story though, I just, briefly though, 1111, we had this in our AI. It's at 1170 right now. Why is this moving like this? Well, the full story is, now hopefully this won't take too long to load, the CYTK. Come on, there we go, CYTK. There we go. So look at CYTK, guys. Now, if you were in the room last week, this had a huge pop on this day. It went from about 34 up to 40 odd. And look at what happened today. So their drug, I think it was phase 3. And anyway, met with hugely favorable positive results, okay? And look what happened. This stock was trading at 40 yesterday, basically doubled. So what's that got to do with EWTX? Hopefully I can bring this back. EWTX. It's a sympathy play. I guess they've got a similar drug, and I guess so the conjecture would be maybe, just maybe, their drug. Now they're in the early stage. I think it's phase 1 or something like that. But I guess they're thinking, well, maybe because of CYTK's success, maybe we'll have the same sort of success. That's what the market's looking at anyway. We don't know. Nobody knows whether they're going to have any success with that drug. But, this is all about the market looking at maybe sympathy plays, and this is definitely a sympathy play with the CYTK. So that was a great alert from our AI 1111, and this could keep going. I'm going to have to take a look later on to see where it could stall, look at a monthly chart to see where the next highs are. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.